Every single day, I scroll through YouTube and I see videos, some of them from people that have never landed a single client in their life, claiming that you can build a $10,000, $20,000 a month AI automation agency in the next 30 days. And the wild part is thousands of people are watching these videos, quitting their jobs, putting in the real work, and then hitting a wall because nobody told them the actual truth. Now look, I'm not here to tell you that AI automations don't work. They absolutely work. But the way that this business model is being sold to beginners right now, it's setting up most of you to fail before you even landed your first client. And I've seen this happen over and over and over again. So today, I want to be real with you. I have no course to sell, no coaching program, no upsells, nothing. Just what I've actually seen work using GoHighLevel to help beginners land their first $500, $1,000, even $1,500 a month client. Even if you're starting from scratch with zero tech skills and zero sales background. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly what the gurus are getting wrong, the one mistake that kills most beginners in their tracks, and the simple one-offer GoHighLevel system that actually converts. And if you want my free step-by-step system to help you actually land your first client and walk you step-by-step in doing so, just hit the like button, share this video with a friend, and comment free course below and I'll hook you up. All right, so let's start here. AI automation is a real opportunity. That part is not a lie. Small businesses, dentists, med spas, contractors, cleaners, gym owners, realtors, these people are overwhelmed. Running their business is hard. They're missing leads from their website, from Google, from Facebook, from DMs, from emails, from missed calls, and they don't have the time, the energy, or a team to follow up with all of it. That is a real problem that a lot of business owners have, and you can absolutely build a real business solving it. The problem is not the opportunity. The problem is the internet hype machine turning a $500 a month side hustle into a $300,000 bedroom fantasy. And that's the gap between what is being sold and what is actually realistic for a beginner. That's what kills most people before they even get started. So here's a real life example of what I see happen over and over again. Someone watches a video on YouTube, they get excited, they decide they're going to start an AI automation agency. They learn all the tech, they take months setting up their GoHighLevel, they're ready to go. And then they go try to sell it.
I can help integrate advanced AI automation workflows into your CRM and optimize your lead pipeline.
Do you know what a business owner hears when you say that? Absolutely nothing, just a blank stare into space. Thanks, well think about it. Door slammed shut. And the wild part is, this is exactly what most gurus teach. They lead with the tool, they lead with the tech, they lead with the AI. But here's what nobody tells you. Business owners do not wake up thinking, I need an AI automation agency. You know what they're waking up thinking about? They're waking up thinking, I just missed 3 calls yesterday. I have a lead that filled out my form on my website 4 days ago and nobody followed up. I got another 1-star review and I don't know what to do about it. My front desk is swamped and customers are slipping right through the cracks. That's what they care about, not your tech stack. I literally had someone message me a couple weeks ago, spent 3 months learning the automations, built the entire pitch deck, went out to 6 different businesses, 0 clients. You know why? He keeps leading with the tech every single time. He keeps saying, I offer AI automation services, and every business owner that he talks to has no idea what that means or why they need it. 3 months of work, 0 clients. Not because he wasn't smart, not because the opportunity isn't real, because nobody told him what to actually say when he's trying to sell it. So here's the mistake I see killing most beginners, and trust me when I say I've talked to a lot of people who've gone through this exact same thing. They try to sell the AI instead of selling the results. These are 2 completely different things. If you walk into a med spa today and say, I help med spas turn website visitors into booked appointments with an AI chatbot that automatically follows up with them, they'll get it immediately. That's money. That's appointments. And that's their business. And that's another client for your business. If you walk in and say, I offer AI automation services, you'll literally become the next tech person they don't have time for. And this is super simple and doable once you understand it. Stop selling the tools. Stop selling the AI. Start selling the outcome that these business owners want. I help you stop losing leads. I help you book more appointments. I help you respond to customers without living on your phone. That's your pitch. That's it. So what would I actually do if I was starting today from 0 with GoHighLevel and 0 clients? Let me show you. The very first thing I would do is niche down either by industry vertical or by feature within GoHighLevel. So if you're going to do vertical, you're just going to work with one type of business owner. Plumbers, contractors, HVAC, roofers, hair salons, you're going to pick one vertical to work with. Or the other way to niche down is to just niche down by the feature. So websites, review automation, missed call text back, all in one inbox, and just sell that feature to as many different verticals as you want. Starting out, I personally think it's easier to start with niching down to a feature versus a vertical. So you can sell AI websites. I have tons of videos on our channel to learn how to do that. Review automation, missed call text back, all in one inbox. You don't need to jump into one of the more complicated features like voice AI or chat widget. You can literally sell the all in one inbox or the missed call text back. So I'm going to show you exactly how to do this inside GoHighLevel so you can literally have your first offer and you can start selling it right away. So I'm going to use missed call text back as the offer. So basically, if the business owner cannot pick up their phone, they're either underneath the sink working on plumbing, it's the weekend, it's a holiday, they don't want to pick up the phone, or people are calling them at crazy hours like 10 p.m. at night, they are going to get a text message right back that says, hey, sorry we missed your call. How can we help you? That way, they're going to start the conversation with that customer and they're not going to lose them to the next competitor. You're literally going to go into phone systems, go over to voicemail, missed call, text back, click missed call, text back, and you're going to enable this. Literally, that offer is set up and it's done. Now, every time someone calls this company and they don't pick up, it's literally going to send them a text message within a minute that says, hey, this is ABC Plumbing. I saw we just missed your call. How can I help? It starts that conversation. And now that's going to go all to the all-in-one inbox and they can communicate with that customer and they're not losing that lead. That is literally the entire offer that you are selling. You're fixing their pain point of missing calls and losing customers by simply setting up a simple automation missed call text back so it responds to the customers quickly and it helps keep them as a customer. That's it. That's the entire package. If you go with the missed call text back, it's a super simple, easy thing to sell and fulfill on. And I would charge anywhere from $197 to $497 a month to keep it running. Like I said, you don't need to start with AI voice agents or chatbots. You don't need conversation AI. You don't need to know how to code. You just need one offer, one good demo, and one type of business to work with, and the ability to explain what problem you are solving with one sentence. After doing online marketing for over a decade, I absolutely love this simple sales process. It's called the PASS method. Problem, agitate, solution. So you're going to simply identify a problem that a business owner has, missed calls. Then you're going to agitate it for them. Why is missing calls a big problem in their business? Because they're losing customers every single day. They're losing revenue into their business, and they're giving their customers honestly a bad experience because they're not following up immediately. Solution, missed call text back. That's your offer. Problem, agitate, solution. Does not get any easier than that. You know how many clients it would take to replace a $3,000 a month salary? 6 clients. 6 local businesses paying you $500 a month to run a system you build one time, copy paste. That is it. 6 clients. So are you learning or are you earning? Look, I want to be straight with you before you close this video. AI automation works. GoHighLevel works. Local businesses need this. The opportunity is 100% real, but the internet is full of people who have been learning this for over 6 months and still haven't sent a single DM or made a phone call. They still haven't booked a single demo. They still haven't made a single dollar. And I get it, learning feels like progress. It's safe. But at some point, you have to ask yourself a real question. Are you just going to continue learning this, or are you going to start earning from this? Because the only thing standing between you and your first client is making the decision today. Not learning one more automation workflow, not buying one more person's course, just picking one niche, building one demo, and going to talk to one business owner. That's it. That's the whole game. This is hands down one of the simplest, most beginner-friendly ways to make money online right now. And the best part is it's reoccurring month after month, so it just stacks on top of itself. You don't need a brand, you don't need to grind for months on end, and you definitely don't need to know how to code. Like I say in almost all of our videos, action takers are money makers. So if you are done learning and ready to start earning, drop a free course in the comments below. I'll personally make sure you get my step-by-step system to land your first paying client, all of my scripts, my templates, a live one-on-one kickoff call with GoHighLevel, and access to my coaching community where I do live coaching calls. And if you like this real and honest video, you're definitely going to like this one here, so check it out. Thank you so much for watching. God bless. See you in the next one. Peace.